there are words to describe how hot it will be today. None I can use. Today's mission is to seal up the gaps in the 3-season wall. In the corners up here, there are huge gaps. So we're basically trying to air condition the world. See if we can't complete our mission. Getting our scientific measurement of 21.5 and 2 ticks. Gonna be hotter than blue blazes today. Try to get this project wrapped up. Where's the pencil?
In your hand.
No, it was in your hand.
I'm hungry.
You can't say it's because you didn't have enough to eat this morning.
It's physical labor stuff.
I think maybe you've just got accustomed to eating too much food.
You know what? I can hit you as hard as I want.
Can you though? Can you though? That's right. You better run. This is dull. Me too. Oops. Go all the way up before you push it back. Corner first. Corner matters first.
Got it all.